What's up, guys? My name's Keyshawn. I'm also known as Dirty White Wagon on Instagram. This is our 2018 Power Wagon. We just stopped by Blue Ridge Overland Gear shop to pick up some better storage options as well as better organization inside the truck when we're out on the trails and going on these camping trips. And we're just really excited to kind of get this thing further kitted out more so we can go on more family adventures and more extended trips and have everything that we need. One of the main reasons we chose this vehicle is because it basically came very kitted from the factory. Front and rear lockers, you've got disconnectable front sway bar. It's basically like now a large, heavy duty Jeep Gladiator. You got a 12,000 pound Warn winch up here up front. So far on the truck, the only thing we've done suspension wise is the Thurin front track bar. So we haven't put a leveling kit on there to fit these 37s or anything like that. It's basically all factory other than the track bar upgrade. And then it does have synthetic line on this one because the older 4th gen trucks came with the steel cable. We've upgraded that to synthetic line as well. We've got the Baja Designs. These are the XL Sports, and it's with the front runner rack mount. So that's all tied in. You can adjust them for your angles up and down and everything like that, as well as how far spread out they are. Those have been awesome. They're about 3,096 lumens each. Right now, we've got the Oxbeam 5-inch lights for the ditch lights with the amber lenses. It's got the daytime running lights in there. Those have been solid for us at camp. And then on the other side of the truck there is the Midland Ghost antenna. As you come around this side to the truck, you'll see we upgraded the tires and wheels on here. The factory Power Wagon wheels with 37s rubbed on the sway arm and radius arms. So we upgraded those to race lines, wrapped them with some Toyo RT trails. That eliminated our rubbing issue. Haven't had any more issues with that at all. As you go up to the top of the truck here, we've got the Front Runner Slimline Pro 2 rack. So this one sits just low enough. It's perfect for the Alu-Cab to clear it. And then we've got our recovery gear up top in that hard case. This one actually has integrated lights in the handrail. So when we get to camp, we can just illuminate the whole area. So here's another little side note that's kind of funny. I get crap for it all the time, but you can see we actually put some of these Jeep badges on here. So we did Dickey Bell down in North Carolina, and then Peter's Mill Run is not really a hard trail or anything like that, but it's kind of funny when we were doing Dickey Bell and going around North Carolina, people were like, this guy's driving a 3/4 ton truck over here on these tight trails on the East Coast, but it's a whole lot of fun. We've enjoyed it. We'll probably add some more as time comes along because it's just a funny talking point. So here inside the truck, yeah, we do use it, so it's dirty. But we have magnetic mounts for the cell phone, as well as the Midland MX-TX75 radio there. So we got it mounted down below. And then we've got a visor pouch with some awesome patches with some great friends, as well as some of the company's gear I run when I go to shooting matches and things like that. So right here is the Oxbeam 8-gang switch panel. So this has our lights for the ditch, our daytime running lights in the ditch lights, as well as the radio controls. This is the left side of the truck, those lights I was talking about up there in the front runner roof rack, as well as the Baja Designs light bar that we'll talk about as well. Now in the rear, obviously you see that we have a car seat in here. My 2 daughters ride back here, and we usually have another booster right here, but my wife's using that one today. So we've got the Blue Ridge Overland Gear first aid pouch up here on this headrest panel. We've also got the Blue Ridge Overland Gear seat back panels. Got a nice medium GP pouch here. We've also got 2 small GP pouches on the passenger side over there, and the fire extinguisher water bottle mount, just because it's easier to reach to from the driver's side if you need it. We'll be continuing to add different little pouches and gear and gizmos here. Obviously, I am a bourbon person, so the Blue Ridge Overland Gear Speakeasy bag is absolutely an awesome game changer to have at camp. That's been awesome because I'm known to carry some pretty good bottles when I go to camp. Up here, we've got the hammock, just in case the kids want to hang out, when they're at camp as well, in between some trees, and just enjoy some time out there. This is the Blue Ridge Overland Gear trash panel. That's usually on the back of a headrest, but what I've done is actually just use other attachments to get this in between the seats, and this works great for the kids. So you're not dropping their, snack trash all over the truck. It just goes in here and this unclips super easily, and I can take that and dump it out when I need to. And then it attaches back just as easy. So this is really, really nice. The new addition to the truck is this Alu-Cabin. So this is a Alu-Cabin for a 6.5 foot bed truck. It already had the fit kit on it when we got it, so it was really nice that we were able to just drop this straight on our truck and actually do the self-installation ourselves. So up top on the camper, guys, we have a 380 watt LG solar panel that is basically charging our battery that we have inside, currently running on a power station right now. 3 gallon roto packs on the Alu-Cabin Molly panel here. We also have Expedition Essentials propane tank mount, so it keeps that 10-pound propane tank up there. We ran the water spigot out here on the driver's side of the truck as well. So when we're at camp and we want to either fill up the dog's bowl, or if we're just, using water for camping purposes and cooking and things like that, we've got that right here on the outside for tap. So Alu-Cab's 270 degree shadow on, we've got that up there. It's got the reflective coating on it, so like when you're out at camp and it's really hot, helps keep you cool on those days. And it's really, really nice. Once kids get hot, they basically just become, crazy little boogers. So by being able to keep them cool and get some shade when we're out camping in the sun during summertime is going to be a really big game changer for us as well. So this is a part 1 because we've only had it for about 3 months and we're looking to really build this thing out. So I'm really excited to see which way we go with it. I'll open that up for us right now. On the camper door is the Reflectix bubble wrap insulation. We put that in here for now until we get some panels in here from DMI Overland. Thank you, Sean. We're gonna put his Molly panels up here, and that's where our kitchen bag will end up living, the Blue Ridge Overland Gear kitchen bag. Underneath the floor in here, I've got also bubble wrap insulation, as well as 1.5 inch blue green fiberboard for insulation as well. So basically your household insulation is in here. And we're gonna be building out the whole interior of the truck. This is our makeshift paper towel holder right now. We've got the 13 gallon Alu-Cab water tank, and that is mounted up here. And we have the breather hose over here. Obviously your water, it's gravity fed, so you don't have to worry about having a pump in here. But we have the option to add a pump later, and when we go to put a shower on this side of the camper as well. My 2 kids, they'll sleep down here on this panel. We have a sleeping pad for them, and then they have their sleeping bags. My wife and I will sleep up top. And that's pretty much our sleeping arrangements right now. We do have the Alu-Cab midge nets in here with the bug screens, and then you can also roll these down when you want to keep a little bit more insulation in here at night. As you can see, Velcro pouches here just for, toiletries. We just got here to the shop to get this thing kind of like, kitted out just a little bit more for us as a family, so that we don't have to bring as much like book bags and everything else from home. So as you can also see, we've put in the Blue Ridge Overland Gear packing cubes. This is great for storing like jackets. We're going to put clothes in here. Really looking forward to having that out here because that's going to help us with better organization in the camper. The fridge is right here tied down to my floor. This is a Set Power PT35. But it's dual zone. You can run it fridge and freezer, or freezer fridge, whichever way you want. And this has been awesome for us to obviously allow us to cook more meals when we're out on the trail or out camping. As far as a power setup right now, running a Blue Eddy AC 180, and we have the 380 watt LG solar panel that is connected to the solar on top of the Alu-Cab, and then that runs all the way into here to MC4 connectors, and that's just running off the 12 volt plug on the Blue Eddy. And we've got a 60 amp circuit breaker right there. Again, this is very just get out, go camp, go have fun, let the kids enjoy themselves, because we're going to be doing a full build out in here. So as you can see, I've got red tape. We've designed a couple different mock-ups on what we might do in here. We've got the H-Calorie Toolbox 2S diesel heater. That's been great for us, allowing us to winter camp. We just, about 3 weeks ago, we're up in the Allegheny National Forest camping with a bunch of friends up there. Got about 4 inches of snow the first night, and then another 2 or 3 inches the next day. So that was a whole lot of fun taking this thing winter camping and being able to stay warm in the winter. Another upgrade for us is not having an annex outside with just a bucket and wood shavings in it. So we've got this Seaflow toilet here. It's got like a 4 gallon clean tank, and then you've got a 5 gallon wastewater tank, and we just basically treat the water before we leave for a camping trip. It's fully flushable. You don't have to go outside to go use the bathroom anymore. So the wife was extremely happy about that. We've got the kitty carbon monoxide sensor up top. We've also got the remote for the H-calorie diesel heater right here. This doubles as another carbon monoxide sensor, but also allows you to run that diesel heater in auto start stop mode. So this will actually work as a thermostat wirelessly for that diesel heater. Over here, we've got a temperature gauge, basically a hygrometer. We can look at the humidity level in here and the temperature inside the camper. This is the Renogy M1 panel that allows us to control all the lights for the camper. It allows us to turn on all the USB ports up top in the camper, as well as we have USB 3.0, 3.1 amp ports here. And then on this side, we have PD 100 watt panels right here as well for charging, Go that we can charge or run the Starlink off of this if we want as well. So 2 100 watt USB-Cs right there. All right, guys, thank you for checking out the vehicle again. This has been awesome for us going out camping as a family. It's very capable, allows us to get to those difficult places and see nature and let the kids just enjoy the beauty around us out here. And kind of stay tuned because, again, we're going to be doing something different back there for organization, as well as to make it more of a living space that's available where we're not packing in so much all the time to go. It will be a dedicated, just straight system where we can just go and anytime we want. So again, we're going to be building out the Alu-Cabin with a better storage option.